Let's do a simple proof of the cross product in two dimensions. So here we've evaluated the cross product of vectors v and w using the determinant method that we've already covered, where both vectors have the following components. And if vectors v and w have the following angles to the horizontal axes, and using trigonometry we can rewrite these components as follows. And now we can factor out the magnitude of v and w. And using our trig identity, we obtain the following expression. And theta w minus theta v is simply the angle theta between the vectors.